everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and I love doing DIY refashion clothes. Today, in my first video of 2020, I'm going to share with you how I transform a t-shirt into a jumpsuit. I'm also cutting two sides of the t-shirt to have two pieces for the front and the back of the jumpsuit. Centimeter and mark another one. Then I connect two marks together by a curved line. Then drawing from the second mark to the end of the t-shirt. After cutting, we will have the front body of the jumpsuit. For the back body of the jumpsuit, I'm doing quite similar to the front. However, the curved line for the legs will be inside 5 cm from the borderline. If you have a big butt, make a curved line deeper, so the jumpsuit won't be too tight to your body. And make sure the width of the legs have to be a quarter of your hip size, plus 4 cm or bigger. Then I fold the fabric inside to show the open area at the top of the front. Now I'm making the pockets for the jumpsuit by using the fabrics from the hands. I'm drawing a rectangle with 16 cm width. Then I'm drawing an arc line at one edge of the rectangle and cutting by the drawing line. DIY and could make one for yourself. Subscribe to my channel for my upcoming DIY. See you soon!